most beautiful places on Earth you must visit. Hello, wanderlust enthusiasts. Welcome to our journey around the globe as we explore the 10 most breathtaking places on Earth. From pristine landscapes to iconic landmarks, these destinations are a feast for the eyes and a must for every travel bucket list. So, let's embark on this visual adventure together. Salar de Uyuni. Nestled high in the Andes of southwestern Bolivia, the Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, a vast expanse of otherworldly beauty that stretches as far as the eye can see. This natural wonder, formed by the transformation of prehistoric lakes, becomes a mesmerizing mirror during the rainy season, reflecting the sky with an ethereal perfection. The salt crust, several meters thick, covers over 10,000 square kilometers, creating a surreal, blindingly white landscape. Amidst this desolate beauty, islands known as islas rise like mirages, adorned with giant cacti that have stood the test of time. Whether bathed in the soft glow of sunrise or beneath the twinkling stars of the night, the Salar de Uyuni captivates visitors with its sheer magnitude and breathtaking allure, offering a truly surreal and unparalleled experience. Torres del Paine. In the heart of Chilean Patagonia, the Torres del Paine National Park stands as a testament to nature's grandeur. This pristine wilderness is renowned for its iconic granite peaks, the three towering spires known as the Torres, which dominate the landscape. The park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, encompasses a diverse array of ecosystems, from turquoise lakes and dense forests to vast expanses of untouched wilderness. Visitors embark on epic hikes, such as the famed W Circuit or the more challenging O Circuit, winding through breathtaking landscapes that showcase glaciers, alpine meadows, and the electric blue waters of Lake Piho. Wildlife abounds, with guanacos, foxes, and Andean condors providing a captivating glimpse into Patagonia's untamed beauty. Whether trekking through rugged terrains or simply absorbing the awe-inspiring views, Torres del Paine offers an immersive and unforgettable journey into the heart of one of the world's last great wildernesses. Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands, situated in the Pacific Ocean, are a living testament to the forces of evolution and the raw beauty of untouched nature. This archipelago, part of Ecuador, comprises 18 main islands and numerous islets, each with its own unique ecosystem and wildlife. Made famous by Charles Darwin's groundbreaking observations, the Galapagos are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a living laboratory of evolution. Visitors are treated to encounters with fearless and endemic species, including giant tortoises, marine iguanas, and blue-footed boobies, all of which contribute to the island's unparalleled biodiversity. Snorkeling and diving unveil the vibrant underwater world, where sea lions, penguins, and hammerhead sharks gracefully navigate the crystal-clear waters. Conservation efforts and strict regulations ensure the preservation of this ecological treasure, allowing travelers to witness nature at its most unspoiled. Whether navigating through lava landscapes, walking among colonies of seabirds, or simply basking on pristine beaches, the Galapagos Islands offer a once-in-a-lifetime experience that underscores the delicate balance of life and the resilience of these extraordinary ecosystems. Munnar in Kerala. Nestled in the lush western Ghats of Kerala, Munnar is a picturesque hill station that epitomizes the natural splendor of South India. Perched at an elevation of about 1,600 meters above sea level, this charming town is renowned for its sprawling tea plantations, mist-covered hills, and diverse flora and fauna. The verdant landscapes of Munnar are a soothing retreat for nature lovers and those seeking tranquility away from the bustling city life. The undulating hills of Munnar are adorned with meticulously manicured tea gardens, creating a captivating mosaic of greenery. Visitors can embark on scenic drives through winding roads that offer panoramic views of the valleys, waterfalls, and cardamom-scented plantations. The iconic Atukal waterfalls and the serene Matapeti Dam are among the must-visit attractions, providing not only stunning vistas but also opportunities for boating and wildlife spotting. Munner's tea estates invite travelers to delve into the art of tea production, offering guided tours that showcase the cultivation, plucking, and processing of tea leaves. Munner's pleasant climate, with cool temperatures and mist-laden air, makes it a year-round destination. Whether sipping on freshly brewed tea while gazing at the rolling hills, exploring the vibrant local markets, or taking in the serenity of nature, Munner in Kerala promises a rejuvenating and enchanting experience for all who venture into its embrace. Plitvice Lakes National Park. Plitvice Lakes National Park, a natural wonder located in the heart of Croatia, is a mesmerizing tapestry of waterfalls, cascading lakes, and lush greenery. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this enchanting park spans over 296 square kilometers and is renowned for its unique system of interconnected lakes and waterfalls. The park is a haven for nature enthusiasts, featuring 16 crystalline lakes that are arranged in cascading tiers and connected by a series of waterfalls. The water's vibrant hues, ranging from azure to emerald green, are a result of mineral-rich waters and sunlight interacting with the diverse flora and submerged vegetation beneath. Visitors can explore the park through a network of well-maintained wooden boardwalks and pathways that meander through dense forests, offering breathtaking views of the lakes and waterfalls at every turn. The most iconic waterfall, Veliki Slap, tumbles down from a height of 78 meters, creating a stunning visual spectacle. Preserving its natural beauty is a top priority, and visitors are encouraged to adhere to the park's conservation guidelines. Plitvice Lakes National Park stands as a testament to the harmonious relationship between water and land, offering an immersive and unforgettable experience for those seeking the tranquility and magic of untouched nature. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls, one of the world's most awe-inspiring natural wonders, straddles the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe in southern Africa. Known by the local name Mosio Etunya, meaning the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls is a spectacular waterfall on the Zambezi River, showcasing the sheer power and beauty of nature. The falls span a width of about 1,708 meters, 5,604 feet, and plunge to a depth of 108 meters, 354 feet, creating a mesmerizing cascade of water. The mist generated by the force of the falls rises high into the air, visible from miles away, giving the impression of billowing smoke and adding to the mystical atmosphere. Visitors can experience the grandeur of Victoria Falls from various vantage points. The most iconic is the Devil's Pool, a natural rock pool located on the edge of the falls, offering daring adventurers the chance to swim at the very precipice during the dry season. The Knife Edge Bridge provides a thrilling perspective, allowing visitors to feel the spray on their faces as they walk along the edge of the gorge. The Victoria Falls Bridge, built in 1905, spans the Zambezi River and serves as a link between Zambia and Zimbabwe, offering breathtaking views of the falls. Beyond its natural beauty, Victoria Falls is a hub for adventure activities. Visitors can partake in activities such as bungee jumping, zip lining, and river cruises to fully immerse themselves in the region's exhilarating offerings. Victoria Falls, with its raw power and ethereal mist, stands as a testament to the Earth's natural wonders, captivating all who are fortunate enough to witness its breathtaking spectacle. Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is one of the most mesmerizing and captivating natural phenomena on Earth. This celestial light display occurs in polar regions, predominantly near the Arctic Circle, where charged particles from the sun collide with atmospheric gases, producing vibrant colors that dance across the night sky. In the Northern Hemisphere, countries like Norway, Sweden, Finland, Canada, and Iceland offer prime viewing locations for the Aurora Borealis. The lights typically appear as swirling curtains of green, pink, purple, and blue hues, creating an otherworldly spectacle that has inspired wonder and folklore for centuries. The intensity and colors of the northern lights are influenced by factors such as solar activity, the Earth's magnetic field, and atmospheric conditions. During periods of high solar activity, the auroras can be more vivid and extend farther from the polar regions, creating breathtaking displays that can be visible even at lower latitudes. Photographers and nature enthusiasts flock to designated dark sky areas during the winter months, when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest, providing optimal conditions for observing this celestial ballet. The Arctic winter, with its crisp air and pristine landscapes, adds to the enchantment of the experience. Beyond its visual splendor, the Aurora Borealis holds cultural significance for many indigenous communities, who have woven rich myths and legends around these dancing lights. Paris. Paris, often referred to as the City of Lights and the City of Love, stands as an iconic symbol of art, culture, and romance. Nestled along the banks of the Seine River in northern France, Paris is renowned for its timeless elegance, historic landmarks, and a vibrant blend of modernity and tradition. The Eiffel Tower, an enduring symbol of Paris and France, dominates the city's skyline. Its intricate iron lattice design and panoramic views from its observation decks draw millions of visitors each year. The Seine River weaves through the city, offering scenic boat cruises that provide a unique perspective of Parisian landmarks such as Notre Dame Cathedral, the Louvre Museum, and the Musée d'Orsay. Paris is a cultural treasure trove, home to world-famous art collections, exquisite architecture, and literary history. The Louvre, the world's largest art museum, houses masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, while the Musée d'Orsay showcases Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. The Champs-Élysées, a grand avenue lined with theaters, cafes, and luxury shops, leads to the Arc de Triomphe, a symbol of French national pride. The city's neighborhoods, each with its distinct charm, invite exploration, from the bohemian atmosphere of the Latin Quarter to the artistic allure of Montmartre. Paris is a culinary paradise, boasting world-class restaurants, charming bistros, and bustling markets. French cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh, high-quality ingredients, is celebrated globally. Whether strolling along the Seine's riverbanks, indulging in a café au lait, a sidewalk bistro, or immersing oneself in the city's artistic and cultural riches, Paris weaves a spell of enchantment that continues to captivate and inspire visitors from around the world. Osaka. Osaka, a vibrant metropolis in Japan, stands as a dynamic blend of modernity and tradition, offering a rich tapestry of cultural experiences, culinary delights, and cutting-edge entertainment. Situated in the Kansai region, Osaka is often referred to as the Kitchen of Japan and is renowned for its culinary scene, historic landmarks, and lively atmosphere. One of Osaka's most iconic symbols is Osaka Castle, a majestic fortress surrounded by lush gardens and situated in the heart of the city. The castle, with its imposing architecture and historical significance, provides a glimpse into Japan's feudal past. Dotonbori, a bustling district along the canal, is a kaleidoscope of neon lights, vibrant billboards, and a myriad of restaurants and street food stalls. Osaka is also a haven for food enthusiasts. The city takes immense pride in its street food culture, featuring local specialties like takoyaki, octopus balls, okonomiyaki, savory pancakes, and mouth-watering street snacks. For entertainment, Universal Studios Japan in Osaka is a popular destination, offering thrilling rides, live shows, and attractions based on blockbuster movies. Osaka's Yumeda Sky Building provides panoramic views of the cityscape, and the Tempesan Ferris wheel near Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan offers breathtaking views of Osaka Bay. Osaka's people are known for their friendly and outgoing nature, contributing to the city's welcoming atmosphere. Whether exploring historical landmarks, indulging in delectable street food, or experiencing the vibrant energy of modern entertainment, Osaka stands as a captivating destination that seamlessly fuses the old and the new, providing a unique and memorable experience for visitors. Whitehaven Beach. Whitehaven Beach, situated on Whitsunday Island in the heart of Australia's Great Barrier Reef, is a pristine paradise known for its dazzling white silica sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. Renowned as one of the world's most beautiful beaches, Whitehaven captivates visitors with its untouched natural beauty and serene atmosphere. The beach stretches over 7 kilometers, 4.3 miles, along Whitsunday Island, making it the largest of the 74 islands in the Whitsundays archipelago. The powdery white sand is composed of pure silica, which gives it a fine, almost velvety texture, making it a pleasure to walk on barefoot. The swirling patterns of the shifting sandbars and the changing tides create a stunning mosaic of colors in the shallow waters surrounding the beach. Hill Inlet, located at the northern end of Whitehaven Beach, offers a breathtaking lookout point where the tide creates a mesmerizing fusion of white sand and azure water, creating a visual masterpiece. Access to Whitehaven Beach is primarily by boat, with many tour operators offering day trips or extended stays for visitors to explore this natural wonder. The beach is an idyllic setting for various water activities, including snorkeling, swimming, and simply relaxing under the sun. Preserving its pristine condition is a priority, with strict regulations in place to protect the environment. Visitors are encouraged to follow sustainable tourism practices, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the unspoiled beauty of Whitehaven Beach, a true gem of the Whitsunday Islands. And there you have it, our journey through the 10 most beautiful places on Earth that you must visit. Each destination is a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty our planet has to offer. Which one is next on your travel itinerary? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!